model, 2018 plate Renault Trafic Vauxhall Vivaro Ll29 business 1.5 DCI no VAT. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 122,054. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Will just about drive. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing immediately, no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear.